Hello my paper crafting family, welcome to the craft edition, the fauna craft edition. Now the fauna animal for the craft is mozzies, which you might be thinking, oh okay, well we're actually going to be making some mozzie repellent candles. So these little candle tins, I'm just going to show you what's inside because it's a little bit cute and a little bit fun, special. Hang on. Inside, in the candle part, they have some glitter on them, which makes them really cool and fun to burn, but they also have the most wonderful smell to help repel mozzies. So, alright, let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get 2 of the candles, pre-made little candle tins, and a sticker sheet which has the decoration items. So we've got the circles for the top and either sentiments or just a plain pattern piece there. And there's 2 versions, so I've chosen 2 different patterns for you, so you can choose which one you'd like, or you can do one candle in one and one in another, that's up to you. The other thing you will need is a pair of scissors. Alright, so let's get started. Decide which ones you're going to do, and I'm just having a look at mine and thinking I might choices. I might go the pink, I think, and I think I might do both of the sentiments. Okay, so cut those out along with your circles, or you could also combine, like if you wanted to do the circle pieces one of the patterns and the strip another, that's totally up to you, so get creative if you like. Now again, we are cutting sort of usually when we cut inside the black printed line, so we don't want to see that. Alright, so cut your pieces out and I will see you when you're done. Alright, so I've got all my pieces cut out, and we're going to start with the top circles, so they will sit on the lids like this. Now the trick is getting the sticky paper off the back. We've got a bit of nail to help you. Yes, because they're printed on like a big A4 sheet of paper, there is like one line of strip to unpeel it, but we're making the little pieces, so it is not on all of our pieces, this helpful pre-cut strip. Nearly got it. I do find actually, if you've got like tweezers, like pointy tweezers, or maybe if you've got pointy scissors like this, sometimes, there we go, that can help just to break that seal and get under where nails might not be quite as thin. Alright, got that. And just, so there is a little bit of a gap, so line that up. There we go. Give that a press. Alright, now the second piece, here we go, see, this one has it. But yeah, if you need either pair of tweezers or, like I said, sharp scissors can sometimes just get in, there we go, like that. Alright, and the second one, again just lining it up with a little bit of that space around. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to take the lids off and we're going to see this beautiful glitter. So these are my first attempt at candles, and yeah, I love them. When you open it up you can get that beautiful smell. I love it. It's like a fresh smell. So it's a combination of lemon, eucalyptus and lavender. So yep, did read that was the fragrances that Mozzies do not like, so hence they went into the candle. So hopefully that works for you. Yeah, and just making the burning of the candle a bit more special with the glitter. I do love a bit of glitter. Hopefully you do too. All right. Now with these ones, they are sort of like a mil or two too long, so we might just take a little bit. I wanted a bit of a crossover for the blank one, but then it was just a smidge, and it is just for the one if you're using the Shine Bright Beautiful sentiment, that you just need to cut like a little bit off. Just going to test that out to make sure. So the other two you don't need to cut. This is just, the text was just a smidge too long. Yeah, so there's a little bit of crossover, but it doesn't go over the words. I might just take just a tiny bit more off. There we go. Okay. Now when you stick this on, we're going to try to stick it lining up with this little ridge here, because if you wanted to use the lid as like a little coaster type of thing for when you're burning your candle, then it does sort of just need that little bit of space to sit nicely. Okay. Also gives you something to line up against. Now thankfully I have one of those little score lines on the back of this sticker, otherwise grab your scissors or tweezers. And I'm going to start with the end, so that the start of the sentiment is what ends up being on top. And so lining it up nicely with just the bottom edge of that ridge. Just making sure your paper lines up really nice and straight. There we go, beautiful. Okay, there we go. One done. Oh, there we go, if you want to burn it that way or store it that way. Okay, let's do the second one. So again, we're going to start with the end piece. Do I have, no score line on this one, so I need my scissors. It might be easier if it's not a circle, that you can just get the corner to, here we go, corner to come off. It's a bit easier than trying to get the circle to, oh no, I did have a score line. Get the circle to split from the sticker. All right, and again, starting at the end. Again, lining up really nicely and straight. Awesome. There we go. 2 beautiful Mozzie repellent candles for you to enjoy. Hope you like that, and I hope you like burning them. Hope they are effective against Mozzies, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.